Hi. Welcome to Audit Management app. This website helps firms, admins, and students manage audits easily online. Let me show you how it works. Normally, managing audits manually takes a lot of time. Firms have to fill forms, admins approve manually, and students track everything themselves. It can be confusing and slow. Our website makes everything simple. Firms submit audit forms, admins approve fees and schedules, and students complete audits online, all in one place. First, firms log in and fill the audit form. They add details like location, audit type, and expected date. Once submitted, the admin can review it. Next, admin checks the submitted form. They can edit fees, approve the form, and generate a shareable link for students. Only approved forms are available for students. Students open the link, see the pre-filled form details, and complete their part of the audit. All data is saved online, so nothing is lost or confusing. Using this app saves time, avoids errors, and makes tracking audits super easy. Everyone knows exactly what to do and when. No more messy paperwork. That's it. Start using Audit Management app today and simplify your audit process. Visit auditmanagement1.versal.app now.
लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। ऑडिट को स्मार्ट तरीके से करें, मेहनत से नहीं।